how to get 2 TB storage in Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Google browser and then search for Gemini Advanced and open up the very first link that you see in the results. This is where it will take you. Over here you can see that if you go with the advanced version, you would be able to get 2 TB of storage on Google One. And in order to access it, just simply click over here and you would be getting it for 1 month at no cost. Simply select it, provide your card details, and after that you can get it and you would be getting 2 TB storage space as well. Now the catch is, before 1 month gets over, just simply cancel your subscription and all the stuff that you have stored on your Google Drive will still be there. It's just that you won't be able to make changes to it, won't be able to modify, and won't be able to add further storage to your Google Drive. But all the stuff that you have already stored will be there for you and within your account. So this way you would be able to get it for free. Now if you want to know how you can cancel this subscription, simply check out this video.